Yes, today I am going to teach you division of length, weight and capacity. For starting division of length, weight, capacity, required material, these are. So children always remember if with units, two units, kilometer, meter, according to zero, they have the maximum capacity. In with kilometer, meter, capacity of meter is maximum 3 digits. Always remember this. So if thousand, always remember 3 digits maximum capacity. This is very important. And knowingly, in your maths book, your teacher will give less than 3 digits. So how you have to make it 3 digits? You should know this. Now, so thousand trick to remember. If thousand, 3 digits, hundred, 2 digits, 10, 1 digits. Now, another important thing here, 10 kg 88 gram divided by 8. So children, before starting, this is very important to see there are two units, kg and gram, both are satisfied or not. So 10 kg with kg gram, how many digits? 2 digits. What should be? Here should be 3 digits. 3 digits. This is very important. So you have to make this 3 digits before starting. And never put 0 after. Always put 0 before. So if you will put 0 this side, this will be 880 gram. You have to write only 88 gram. So if you will put 0 this side, what you will need? 88 gram. So after putting, there is no any change. Now another important thing, be careful here. For standard 5, so many questions given like this. What to do, children? First write 10 kg 88 gram divided by 8, then do like this. I have told you, bigger unit top level, smaller unit bottom level. Now what to take from here? You can't write here 10 kg divided by 8. Here you have to take only that is divisible by 8. So how you will divide? You have to read table. 8 1 ja 8. So he write here 8 kg divided by 8. Now you have taken 8 kg from this. So what left? 2 kg left. So this 2 kg and this 88 gram, now you have to divide here. This is very important. From 10 kg you have taken only 8 kg. So if like this, you have to take only that number which is divisible, exactly divisible by the divisor, and remaining you have to add in smaller units. So out of 10 kg you have taken 8 kg. So how much left? 2 kg left. So 2 kg 2 kg means 1000 gram, and what is here? 88 gram. 8 8 2088. So write here 2088 gram divided by 8. Now this you have to divide. Where you have to divide? In your rough column. So write down 2088 divided by 8. 8 2 ja 16, 4. 8 will come here. 8 6 ja 48. Now this 8 will come here. 8 1 ja 8. So this will be 261 gram, and this will be 1 kg. So final answer 10 kg 88 gram divided by 8. Answer is 1 kg 261 gram. Clear? So what to take, what left, this is very important. And same things happening here. Same thing you have to do here. First write down 65 liter 205 milliliter divided by 7. Now make like this. And now children, out from 65, first read table of 65. If this number is coming in this table, then you can write this. If not coming, then which number is coming? So 7, if you read table of 7, I think 7 9 is 63. 65 is not exactly divisible by 7. If exactly divisible, then you can write here. If not divisible, only you have to take which number is divisible. So you have to read table. So 67 9 is 63 liter divided by 7. Now this 63 is exactly divisible by 7. So out of 65 you have taken 63 liter. Then what left? Left 2 liter. This 2 liter, now you have to add in milliliter column. So this 2 liter should be changed into milliliter. So here 2 liter left here and 205 here. So 2 liter means 2000 milliliter and 205. So this will be 5022 milliliter. Now this smaller unit, here you have to write 2205 divided by 7. Now this will be 9 liter and this divide here 2205 divided by 7. 7 3 is 21. 1 0 will come here. 7 1 is 7. 7. Now this 5 will come here. 7 5 is 35. So this will be 315 milliliter. So answer is 9 liter and 315 milliliter. So final answer just below you have to write 65 liter 205 milliliter divided by 7 equal to, answer is 9 liter and 315 milliliter. Same in all units. If kilometer, liter, kg, milliliter, all units you can do like this. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, children.